Hey guys, Dan with True North Motos. Today we're going to go over the new under fender that we've been sending out in our kits. This is going to be the install video and kind of overview of that. These are for the 23 KTM, XE, XEF, SX bikes where there's no XEW under fender or fender yet till the 24s come out. So on the bench, this is the new 3D printed under fender. This is your wire guide. So basically the light is going to bolt onto here. We'll show you that on the bike in a second. You're going to run the wire through this channel on the bottom part. It'll come up, fold through here, and give you a nice protected guide all the way into your battery box area. So once you get the wire in, this piece just snaps in, just like that. And you'll have a long bolt, big fender washer that'll go through the top of your fender there, captured nut on the bottom. So there'll be two of those, and then also the short bolt for the back. Now we'll jump over to the bike and show you routing on this. So this one's mounted, the light's bolted in. You can see the wire guide going into the fender here. You're gonna drill a 7/16 hole to fit your connector through. Reference this point right here. So here's the fender mounting bolt. It's gonna be right kind of in the center of this triangle. Look back in there before you drill when they have the fender off. You want to get it close to the bottom of the rear of the subframe without hitting your subframe, obviously, so you can get the connector through. We jump to the top side. This is going to be the wire channel on the new bikes. The way you can kind of tell that is they had unused zip tie spots right here. So your wire is going to come down this channel, duck out right under here, and this is where it's plugged in on my bike for the turn signal harness and everything. So that's it. That's the new under fender. We've been using the Moto-Minded flex plate on these. That's the go-to, and it's already pre-drilled and everything for that. So that's my recommendation. Appreciate you guys checking it out.